I am the Tassel Queen, and if you want to make some tassel earrings, then check this video out. Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today we're making tassel earrings, and if you love tassels, you're gonna love these. It's a cha-cha, it's a party on your ear. So the tools you're gonna need are some flat nose pliers. I would use 2 to open and close the jump ring. You're gonna need a cutter to cut some chain. You're gonna need an ear wire. You're gonna need some tassels, obviously, and if you pick up the ones we have at JTV, they have the jump ring already on them. So it's perfect. All you have to do is open and close the jump ring, attach it to the chain, and you're done. So pick up the tassels. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I've already cut my chain, but I've counted out 9 little links of this chain. So if you have any chain laying around, you can use whatever chain you have. I like to use a cable chain because if you notice, the links go opposite side, so like they go in and then the other one goes straight and then the other one will be sideways, and it's easier to connect your tassels to. So I've gone ahead and cut 9 links, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my ear wire because it makes it easier once you get started. So add your ear wire, close that up, and if you have anything you can stick your earring in, like a earring stand or anything that you can even put it on, like a bowl, the side of a bowl or a cup, just so that it's standing up so that you can work on your chain, because if it's laying down, it's just gonna be harder. So then you're just gonna start taking your tassels, opening them up. You're gonna add 1 to one side of that chain, and then you're gonna come to the other side of it, that same link, and add the second one. So you can see if you get up close that you put 2 on one link, and then we're going to move down, and there's going to be tassels on every link, and then we're going to skip a link, and then we're going to add our last tassel. So I'm going to put that back on my earring stand and just start adding tassels, and it's the easiest thing ever, especially if you pick up the tassels we have at JTV, because they already have one step done for you because they have the jump rings. So open them. You're going to add 2 on the second link. Close that up, and you're just going to keep going down. So I'm going to spread these apart so you can kind of see what is going on here. So we added 2 to that first link, and now we're down to the second, and we added 1 on either side of that link. So now we're going to add some more. Open, come find your chain, add 1 on one side, close it, add 1 on the opposite side. So each link of chain gets 2 tassels. 1 on one side and 1 on the other. You're going to put on either side of that link, 2 on the same link, but you always have, it's going to be like this on opposite sides. One side. And then the other one will go on this side. Now the yellow. So we're down to the end, and I'm leaving one link to the chain without anything on it, and I'm going to add the tassel to the last link just to give that tassel a drop so that it lays a little longer and gives it just a little bit of a tail at the end instead of just being right up like a big ball. This gives it a little drop. And now you've got your cha-chas. I really love these and the color, and just makes me happy because they're tassels and they're super light. You would think if you put this much beads or tassels or anything on an earring that it's gonna be super heavy and you can't wear them, but these are super light and super fun. So let's go back over the tools and supplies we used today. So you're obviously gonna need some tassels, some chain to put your tassels on, 2 flat nose pliers to open and close jump rings, a cutter to cut the chain to whatever length you like, and something that is going to hold your earring so that you can work on the chain, and then some ear wires. If you'd like to pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. Where would you wear your tassels to? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we'll see you later.